Hey, hi everyone. In this particular video, we are going to learn about the delete operation in MongoDB. Well, it is done with the help of the two main methods. One is delete one and the other one is delete many. Now, what is this delete one? Well, delete one deletes only the first document that matches the filter. So, while putting such query, you put a filter inside of it, which actually helps to detect that which particular document you are trying to delete, right? But when you put delete one and there are multiple documents with the same filter, it will delete the first matching document, right? That's the concept. So this is how it works with the delete one, and the other one is the delete many, where it deletes all the document that matches the particular filter that you give, right? So let's go to the MongoDB shell and understand that how it works. So we are on our database office, right? And we are going to start. But before that, let me show you the compass, that what is actually inside my database. So let me just refresh it. So yeah, you can see. So in my office database, there are two collection. One is accounts, one is user. We are going to delete the user now, right? So if you see the user, there are multiple data set, right? So here, the first one is the Rahul, and the second one name is also Rahul. So there are two data set where the name is Rahul, and the other one every data set is unique, right? And here the keys are name, age, city, and the role, right? This is how it is. Now let's start. So first of all, we will understand the delete one. So if I do that, if I want to delete, I need to write db dot, sorry, just sorry. If you check here, right, if you check here, it is db dot, then this collection name. So our collection name is user, right? So we'll write db dot users dot, and then delete one, like this. Put the bracket, and inside of it we will give the filter. How we give the filter? Put this curly bracket and then write the filter, that is name. I want to take the name as a filter, and I want to take this Rahul, right? I want to take this Rahul. So if I write here Rahul, like this, and close it and press enter, so you can see the acknowledge is true and the deleted count is 1. Now if you go to the compass, and you can see here are two Rahul, right? So which Rahul should get deleted, this one or this one? If we refresh it, sorry, not from here, from here, if we refresh it, you can see the first Rahul got deleted and the second one is here, right? So this is how it works. So you can delete any particular document with the help of the filter that you give, and make sure then when there are multiple documents with the same filter, the first one will get deleted, right? Now let's start with the delete many, right? If you check here, this is delete one, and now let's deal with the delete many. So let's do one thing, that let's change this puja with the name Parth, right? Name Parth, like this. Let's update it. So yeah, okay, I think there is a mistake. I need to edit is it yeah, I think there's extra gap I have given. Fine, let's update it. Yeah, so you can check there are two different set where the name is Parth. Right now if I put here the filter, so simple, this thing will be same, db.user.delete. Now this time not one, this should be delete many, like this, right? And let's change the name to Parth, like this, right? Now if I press enter, it is done, and you can see the delete count is 2 now. Why 2? Because there were two names with the same path. Now if I refresh it, you can check both the path get deleted. So this is how you delete the multiple documents from your collection, right? So this is how we use the delete many. So we understood delete one, delete many. Now let's move forward toward deleting the complete data set, right? If I want to delete or everything which is present, I don't want to put any filter, I just want to delete everything. In that particular case, you put db dot users, user is your collection name, dot delete many, and then rather than giving any filter, just put it empty. So just remove everything, right? Like this. You can check db dot user dot delete many, and then just put this filter bracket, this curly bracket, as blank, like this. And when you press enter, you can check it has deleted everything from here. Let's refresh it, and you can see my collection is now empty. Why? Because everything got deleted. So this is how you delete everything from the your data set, right? Now if I want to delete let's say my complete collection, right? If I want to delete this user collection also, that I don't want this users collection to be exist. In that particular case, I need to do what? Just write db dot users, users is my collection name, dot drop, like this. And when you press enter, you can check it is true now. So if you go here and you refresh it, you can see now the office database has only one collection, which is accounts. Got it? So this is how it works. And let's say if you want to delete the complete database, I want to completely delete this office also. In that particular case, what I need to do, I just need to write here db dot drop database, like this, and put a bracket here and press enter, and done. Your office database is now dropped. Now if you refresh it, you can check this office database got deleted, right? So this is how we deal with our delete operation in MongoDB. I hope you understood the concept very clearly. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.